When the last moment of the life of Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam came, he started putting his khamisha on his face, and when he felt hot and short of breath, he took it off his face and said, "May Allah curse the Jews and Christians, for they build the places of worship at the graves of their prophets." Al-Hadith Bukhari Sharif, book number 1, hadith number 427.